Hey guys, we're getting ready to go to Quartzsite, Arizona to boondock for at least 3 weeks. We were there a couple years ago, but we were only there for a few days. So I have created a blog on our website to talk about all the things we're doing to prepare to go there to boondock that long. It includes information about what is Quartzsite and how they have multiple areas where you can boondock either free or at a minimal fee with some amenities. Talks about the different shows that they have going on there, gemstones and such. We're going to be there for the big tent and RV show. Then you also go into how we're preparing for cooking, our food and beverages, how we're getting power with propane or generator, how do you conserve water, how do you take a shower, how do you get rid of the contents of your gray and black tank, and some other tips that are just kind of interesting, and how you can have fun with an ATV. So get out there and explore. Check out the blog. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.